Coming to you live from Baloney Studios, it's Gina Baloney, and with me as always is...
Kitty.
Kitty?
Yeah. Kitty Michael.
That's right, Kitty Michael. Kitty Michael doesn't know what we're going to do today. Are you ready to find out what we're going to do today, Kitty Michael?
Yeah.
We're going to make a pizza! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are we going to make a pizza? Because Michael Kitty is a quarter Italian. Gina Baloney is half Italian. And Michael Kitty's Nonno, which is grandpa in Italian, is full Italian. Do you know how far Italy is from Seattle, Michael Kitty?
No.
It is so far. It's across an ocean. Did you see what I'm wearing today, Michael Kitty? What are they?
Bows.
They're bows because Gina Baloney is the gift that keeps on giving. Do you know how to make pizza, Michael Kitty?
No.
Well, let's find out. First, you take some flour. How much flour would you like, Michael Kitty?
3.
3 flours?
Yeah.
Well, I've only got 1 flour, but let's put some flour. Flour, flour, flour. All the flour.
Can Kitty?
Kitty can put kitty hands in here. Well, excuse me, kitty paws. Ooh. When Michael Kitty's Nonno makes pizza, he doesn't use measuring tools. He doesn't use pots or pans. He doesn't even use bowls. He just straight up pours it on the counter and goes to town. Pizza dough is really fun and easy to make. All you need is flour, water, a little bit of salt, and some yeast. There's a cream for that. So, it's pretty easy. You just put it all together with your hands. Oh, it's okay, Michael Kitty. Getting messy is part of the fun. Clap your hands together. Isn't that fun? That's how you get it off.
I'll play with it with a spoon.
You want a spoon to play with it?
Yeah.
You got one. We're going to add just a little bit of salt because Gina Baloney is a little bit salty. And let's get some yeast. Michael Kitty, what's your favorite part about making a pizza?
Flour.
The flour is your favorite part about making a pizza? Now we gotta mix it up. We mix it up. We mix it up.
And then we scoop it.
We can scoop it.
I'm a scooping machine.
You're a scooping machine.
I have a big scoop and a little one.
You do have a big scoop and a little one. Go ahead, Michael Kitty. You play with that flour. You can play all you want with that flour. The fun part is the flour before you put the water in. Once we put the water in, it kind of becomes a sticky mess, which is typically why Gina Baloney likes to order out.
That machine is making a tower of flour.
You are making a tower of flour. That rhymes. Tower, flour, power. What's a word that's easy to rhyme with, Michael Kitty?
No.
What about cat?
Cat.
What rhymes with cat?
No. Bat.
Bat. What else?
No.
Cat, bat, hat,
Cat.
mat,
Rat.
sat.
Cat.
Did your cat sat on a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It sat on a mat.
It sat on a mat. How about that? All right, Michael Kitty, are you ready to add some water?
Yeah.
All right, so when Nonno makes this, he puts the flour in a circle and then he makes a hole in the center. And then he adds the water. And that way it doesn't go everywhere. Have you ever seen Nonno make his pizza?
Can I pour the water in?
You can. Can you pour just a little bit? Ooh, good job. Then we mix it up. I'm a Michael's Nonno. I play with the rocks and I herd the sheep. I walk to school uphill both ways. Is that what your Nonno sounds like?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does sound like that, doesn't he?
He sounds funny like that.
He does sound funny like that. You know why your Nonno sounds like that?
No.
Because he has an accent. Do you know what that means?
No.
So Nonno sounds funny like that because the first language he ever learned was Italian, not English.
Not English?
That's right. He learned Italian because he was born in Italy. Well, Sicily. If he was here, he would be correcting us left and right. It has to be Sicily. You have lots of friends that have accents, don't you?
Let me try the little one.
You want to try the little one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried the little one.
So now we're going to put this over onto here. And then we're going to finish mixing it up. And then when it's done, we're going to put it in the oven.
Can I scoop it?
You can scoop it. Can you scoop it? You can scoop it. Can you scoop it? You can scoop it. Okay, I'm gonna act like a Nonno now. Nonno mixes the pizza. Nonno likes to complain a lot. Nonno likes to talk up to the Nonna and tell her that she bought too much stuff at the store because it's just two of us. Why do you buy 2 chickens when you only need 1 chicken? And 2 chickens instead of 1 chicken. You know what? We are going to expedite this process. You want to know how?
No.
All right, ready? Boom! We ready to go. Okay, now we got the cheese. We put on the cheese. How much cheese would you like, Michael Kitty? You want all the cheese? I mean, I can't argue with that. When Michael's Nonno makes pizza, he does cheese and onions and olive oil. Sometimes we even put on olives. But Michael Kitty just likes cheese pizza. Right, Michael Kitty? Is it so yummy? Let's put all the cheese.
Can I put?
Yeah,
Can I,
you can put it on. Be sure to get all of the cheese onto the pizza, Michael Kitty. We want to make sure that it is extra cheesy.
can I eat the cheese?
You can eat the cheese. Go ahead. Now comes the best part. We put it in the oven. Are you ready to bake this pizza, Michael Kitty? Is it going to be super yummy? It's going to be the best pizza we ever had?
Yeah.
Woo! All right, here we go. Pizza is ready to eat. It's so yummy, yummy in your little tummy, tummy.
Can I eat?
We can eat it. That's the best part. So,
Can we slice it into 2 pieces?
we can. Are you ready to slice it into 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a pizza cutter. It's very sharp, so only an adult can use it, okay? But you can watch. Ooh. There's 2 pieces.
Can we eat them?
We can eat them, but I think you probably want it more than 2 pieces, right?
Yeah.
Do you think Lilah likes pizza?
Yeah. Let's eat it together.
You want to eat it together with Lilah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And with you.
Lilah is his little pet Sphinx cat. Sphinx cats have no hair.
Can we
Ooh.
eat it?
Oh, that looks just like a commercial. All right. I'm going to cool it down, and then you can have a bite. Are you ready? Oh, it's so cold. It's so hot. Want to help me blow on it? sound like we're about to deliver a child. But not Gina Baloney. Gina Baloney had a C-section. What should we do while we're waiting for the pizza to cool down?
Play.
You want to play?
Yeah.
Want a high five? What about other high five? What about high 10? What about crisscross high fives? What about up top high fives? What about down low high fives? What about fast, fast, fast high fives? Ha, 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 ha. What about slow high five? That's not so, that's fast. You're so silly. You're so silly. You want to shake hands?
Yeah.
Hello, nice to meet you. Here. How do you do?
Yeah.
Are you a kitty?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice to meet a kitty. What's your name, kitty?
Michael.
Are you Michael Kitty?
Yeah.
Do you go meow, meow, meow? Does it smell yummy, Michael Kitty?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? What do you think? Is it so yummy? Eat some. Oh my gosh, Michael Kitty. You make a good pizza. Ask Lilah what she thinks about the pizza.
What do you think?
She says, I like pizza, meow meow, but it doesn't have anchovies on it, meow meow. I prefer anchovies. Ew.
Can we pretend?
Okay, let's pretend, Lilah. Okay,
Let's pretend.
we're gonna pretend that there's anchovies on it for Lilah.
Yeah.
Anchovies.
It too.
It's so yummy. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, it's all baloney.
It's all baloney.
Bye.
Double high.